Hey guys, so today we're going to be reviewing this Brain & Denny dish drying rack. It comes very well wrapped in this paper and this is how it came. It needs no assembly, which is great and very easy to quickly use. It comes with this tray for you to put your utensils for them to dry and separate them from the rest. It is made out of this stainless steel material, which is great because it's going to be with constant contact with water. And it has the dish drainer with the removable cutlery holder and the drain board, which is what I'm showing here right now. So you can easily clean this whenever you want to. And I just love that it didn't require any complicated assembly. It also comes with this wooden handle design, which just makes it look more modern. And the black, I just feel like it also matches very great with my kitchen. It will match great with other kitchens. And of course, it's also made with this durable frame, which I mentioned. It's made out of stainless steel, which will be 100% rust free. And it just worked really, really great. It has also a very great capacity for lots of plates. And I love the separate cutlery accessory, which just you can put all the spoons and everything separated. And overall, it works great if you're looking for a dish drying rack. This is a great option. It's not super big, so it's going to fit very perfect in most spaces. And overall, we really liked this in our kitchen, and we would highly recommend if you're looking for a dish drying rack, especially one that is just modern and matches with everything.